Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Instagram story highlights in 2022. It's very simple and easy. When you open your Instagram app, just log into your account, then go to profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And here you will see story highlights. Keep your favorite stories on your profile. Then tap on plus icon. And now select any of your story which you want to add to your highlights. Okay, then tap on this photo, for example, and then at the top right tap on next. Then enter name of highlights, for example I write test. Also you can change cover. Just tap on edit cover and select one of your selected stories to cover, then tap on done, and then on top right tap on add, and that's it. We create highlight with this my photo. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.